This is a trap.
What? Why?
The grass has been bone mealed. It's much denser than it should be.
Just because of some grass, you think there's a trap?
It means there's been player activity. We're about 20,000 blocks away from spawn, and these chunks were already rendered. Before we left, I put something in the furnace, and it's already finished. That means someone has been in this area long enough for it to finish smelting.
No way he knows. But I've got one more trap left.
But there's a second trap.
Huh?
About 102 blocks north, there's a perfectly flat mountainside. The perfect place to hide an arrow cannon capable of firing an arrow with enough velocity to kill me instantly, even through full netherite armor and 2 totems of undying.
That could mean anything.
Exactly. The only way he could know I was here and track me down is if there's a mole.